Dear students, today I am going to teach you English grammar. You must know what grammar is. Grammar is the science of language. Or in other words, it's the knowledge of the rules and regulations of any language. But what is the language? Language is the way to express the feelings by words either written or spoken. Now what is a letter? A letter is the sound when spoken, or it is the symbol when written. It is also called the basic unit of the language. The collection of letters and their arrangement is called alphabet or iota in Greek language. Letters are divided into two categories, consonants and vowels. Consonants are those letters that have their specific sound, but vowels are those that have not their specific sound but they remain silent and they only help to form words in coordination with consonants. No word in English language has been there without the vowel. But the consonants are also made up of vowels if you articulate them properly. Suppose the letter is B, it contains E. The letter C and D contains E. The letter F has the vowel A. The letter G contains E. The H has A. J, K, L, M and N do have vowel A in them. P, T, V, and Z, when pronounced as Z, contain the vowel E. While the letter Q and W have U. When R, X, Y, and S have A. Vowels play an important role in making words. The change of vowel brings about the change in words' pronunciation and meaning. Suppose there are two consonants, B and T. Watch how their pronunciation and meaning differ when their vowel change. Bat, bet, bit, boat and but. Let us talk about word. A word is a group of letters. Yes or no? Absolutely not. Because a group of letters does not make a word till it does not express its meaning. Letters must be arranged adequately in such a way that they do show any meaning or sense. For example, London, table, glass, girl, woman, playing, black and very etc. are the words that they do make sense.